Welcome back to Apple Education, and in today's video we'll be looking at how you can create your own personal AI chatbot. This is how you do it. The first step is head over to your browser and type in blackbox.ai. This is the homepage you shall see. Just come and click these three lines over here. After you click on them, just come and click on the create agent option. Click on it. After clicking on it, now this is where we create our own chatbot. The first step is to give your AI a name. Let's say you're my YouTube assistant. All right, give it a specific name. Okay. All right, after you're done, now, so you have given the chatbot a name. You're my YouTube assistant, or just write YouTube assistant like that. And then in the instruction you say, you'll be helping me generating ideas for my videos. You will be helping me generate ideas for my videos. Will be helping me generate ideas for my videos. And then a knowledge base. Now, if you want the knowledge base of your AI to be based on a certain website, you can come and paste the URL of that website here. But if you don't have a knowledge base, just leave it. All right, it's not a must, it's optional. Once you are done, you have written the name, the instruction to the AI, and then the knowledge base. You can come and click add files. If you want the AI to have any files in it, you can come and add it, but it's not a must again. And then before you create your chatbot, you will be asked, do you want to publish it to the public or only have it to yourself, which is private? So when you click publish to public, other users of this site, blackbox.ai, will be able to access your AI. But if you do not prefer it to be shared to other users, just click on private. And once you're done, just click on create chatbot. And then you give the AI a moment to generate your assistant. All right, so there is our YouTuber, our assistant. There is our AI chatbot assistant. Remember this, you're not creating an AI. You're creating a chatbot within the AI so that it can cater to a specific needs. So any question you ask in whatever way will be answered in a manner that is surrounding YouTube. Like you can say, give me videos, give me ideas for today. Just write like that. Don't include anything so that you can test it and see if it will answer based on what we told it to. So here you can see you have just written give me ideas, but since we are told it to answer according to YouTube, now it will say here are some video ideas for you to consider. As you can see, you have a morning routine vlog, a QA session, a top 5 list video, a life hack tutorial, a day in the life vlog, and so on and so forth. Therefore, that is how you create your AI assistant. If you have a homework that you want the AI to answer specifically, just go and write, as I showed you, go to create agent, just write the specific name, instruction, and create your own chatbot. If you found this helpful, make sure to leave a like and make sure to subscribe. It will be highly appreciated. And thank you for watching once again, and good luck.